1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, since my baby left me, well, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street at Heartbreak Hotel. You make me so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. Although it's always crowded, you still can find some room for broken-hearted lovers to cry away their gloom and be so. You make me so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. Now the bellhop stairs keep flowing, the desk clerk's dressed in black. Well, they've been so long on Lonely Street, they'll never look back. You make me so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. Well, now if your baby leaves you and you got a tale to tell, just take a walk down Lonely Street to Heartbreak Hotel. You make me so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. Do 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 do. Although it's always crowded, you still can find some room for broken-hearted lovers to cry away their gloom and be so. You make me so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G. This is a tender size model, and truly it's become my favorite ukulele to play because the tone sounds incredible. It's very warm, rich, dynamic, and also the action is super low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you're just gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So if you want to check out the T52 4G for yourself, then click on the link in my description box below. Again, thanks so much for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs that I think you're going to enjoy, and maybe you're going to grab your ukulele and jam with me, but whatever you decide, I look forward to seeing you right over there.